want to learn leading cloud technologies like Google Cloud, Microsoft Azure, AWS, and Databricks, then this channel is for you. Hi there, I am Vignesh and welcome to my YouTube channel Cloud and AI Analytics. I have around 6 plus years of work experience, predominantly working in Google Cloud, Microsoft Azure, and Databricks. I have multiple cloud certifications and also I am a cloud consultant. So this is my YouTube channel, and here you can find list of my works which I have learned, worked and implemented in real time. Here you can find a detailed video on GCP services like cloud storage, BigQuery, Cloud Functions, Cloud Bigtable, and other services from Azure as well. So I can assure you one thing, that this list is continuously going to grow on. So what is the objective of this channel? The objective of this channel is to provide knowledge on cloud platforms and also to show you how to implement data science, data engineering and DevOps use cases in various cloud platforms. If you are a fresher, this channel will make make you ready to start your career in cloud. Or if you are an intermediate or someone who is already working in cloud platform, this channel will provide you a detailed knowledge and boost your confidence on various services in cloud platform. This channel also will help you in interview preparations on cloud point of view. Last but not least, this channel will also provide guidance on preparing for your cloud certification exams from top cloud providers by providing you guidance, materials, tips and tricks, and finally practice questions as well. So please make sure you support and subscribe to this channel and check out all the other videos as well. I'll see you on the other side. Until then, it's bye from Vignesh. Happy learning. Thank you.